Hi everyone, I am Hanumant. Now I want to define what is a group. So a set G with a binary operation dot. Here dot is a map from G cross G to G is called a group if it satisfies the associative property, identity property and inverse property. If any set with respect to this binary operation these conditions are satisfied, then we say that G is a group. So now what is a associative property? So associative property means take any element a comma b comma c belongs to where G. So associative property means it satisfies this equality with respect to dot binary operation. B dot C is equal to uh, uh, A dot B dot C. Here A dot, here this with respect to this binary operation I get one element from this. So what is that? D is equal to, from this A dot B, from this I get another element, some X dot C. From this operation I get another element, suppose Y. From this element I get another element, some Z. So these two are equal. So from this equality is equal, then we say that associative property. Now what is the identity property? So I take any element belongs to G, there exists a one identity element belongs to where G. So I operate with binary operation from left and right. From left and right I get same element A. So this is the identity property. What is inverse property? Inverse property means, so I take every element belongs to G, there exists a unique element B belongs to where G. So I operate with A with B, I get a identity element. Then we say that B is the inverse element of A. So this is the three properties. So any set satisfy these three properties with respect to this binary operation, then we say that G is a group. Okay. So see associative property. Take any three elements. This satisfy this equality, and and identity property is there exists a is the identity belongs to G. This satisfies this equality, and inverse property, for every element there exists a unique element B such that B dot A is equal to A. Here B is called the inverse of A. So this is the definition of the group. Actually I am here a mention binary operation. Binary operation means it is indirectly satisfy the closure property. Okay, what is closure property? So this is a closure property. For every element, take any two elements A comma B belongs to G, such that A dot B belongs to G. Take any two elements with respect to this binary operation, I get another element C that is also belongs to where G. So this is the closure property. If I am not mentioning here a binary operation, then this set satisfies these four conditions. Okay, then only we say G is a group. If I am mention here binary operation, it is satisfied these three conditions, then we say that G is a group. Okay.